If you need to create a barcode in LibreOffice, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simplest way to insert a barcode into your document using LibreOffice Writer, so you can turn text or numbers into a scannable barcode in just a few clicks. This is great for labels, inventory sheets, product documents, tracking pages, or any file where you want a clean barcode inside your document. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it loads, you can either start a brand new Writer document from the left side under Create, or open an existing document if you want to add the barcode to something you've already made. For this example, I'll use a Writer document because that's the easiest place to insert and position the barcode. Now that your document is open, look at the top menu bar and click Insert. This is where LibreOffice keeps all the tools for adding different kinds of objects into your file. From the Insert menu, choose Object and then click QR and Barcode. LibreOffice will open a small dialog box where you can choose the type of code you want to create. In that window, select Barcode. This is important because LibreOffice also supports QR style codes, and we want a regular barcode for this tutorial. After that, you'll see a field where you can enter the content for the barcode. Type in your number, text, or code exactly how you want it to appear. If you're using a product number, item ID, or any short reference code, enter it carefully so it can be scanned correctly. Next, check the barcode type options if they appear in your version of LibreOffice. Depending on what you need, you may be able to choose a specific barcode format. If you're not sure which one to use, leave the default setting for now, especially if you just want a basic barcode for general use. The most important part is making sure your text or number is entered correctly. Once everything looks good, click Insert. LibreOffice will place the barcode directly into your document. At this point, you can click on it, move it around, and resize it just like any other object in Writer. If the barcode looks too large or too small, simply drag the corners to adjust it until it fits neatly on the page. You can also position it wherever you want inside the document, whether that's near the top of a label, in a table, or below some product information. If you're creating multiple barcodes, you can repeat the same process and add more than one into the same document. That makes LibreOffice really useful for simple business documents and printable sheets. If you want the barcode to stay aligned nicely, you can combine it with text boxes, tables, or spacing tools inside Writer. That way, your document stays neat and professional looking. And if you ever need to change the barcode content later, just select the barcode object and edit the information again through the same insert and object options. So, to quickly recap, open LibreOffice, open or create a Writer document, go to Insert, choose Object, then QR and Barcode, select Barcode, enter your text or number, and click Insert. That's all it takes to create a barcode in LibreOffice. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful software tips, step-by-step guides, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.